I'm going to tell you about PMSet in 60 seconds. PMSet is the new name for Schneider Electric's pole-mounted reclosers and switchgear. Used alongside our intelligent power logic ADVC, a single controller that provides a comprehensive solution to manage overhead lines up to 38 kV. PMSet gathers the well-known E-Series, U-Series and W-Series reclosers. When used with PowerLogic ADVC, it provides improved safety thanks to reliable interlocks like work tag and broken conductor protection, flexible with advanced protection applications that enable smoother integration with microgrids, efficient with easy to use operational features and functionalities like intelligent loop automation and auto changeover schemes help reduce interruption duration. With a new lithium-based battery, PowerLogic ADVC is tested to the latest IEC standards, providing a longer operational life. With new digital features like our QR code, asset documentation can be accessed quickly and easily. The offer is digital and connect-ready with protocols such as IEC 6550 for remote operations. For efficient overhead networks, that's PMSet in 60 seconds.